even waited for just the right time to say goodbye.
5. How to create an amazing lead vocal comp. Your guiding principle when creating a lead vocal comp is to find the snippets of each vocal which best convey the emotion of the song. Usually, you'll be able to identify 1 or 2 takes which are the strongest overall in each section of the song. You can start with one of these and then begin fixing any technical issues you hear in the recording. Often the most emotional take is not the most technically perfect, and this is where you can use the alternates to fix little problems which when edited together will add up to an amazing finished product. To show you what I mean by choosing the most emotional take as your starting point, let's turn to Jessie Cheng's vocal session for the song Villains of Our Own Stories, which was featured at a Songwriters Hall of Fame Master Session. Good, try one more. Remember, lots of smile.
Okay. Hey, my old friend, toss a rope and pull me out. Will I see it all again, but give it up?
Yeah, I think that was a lot better. The give it up got a little pitchy, but I think you have it in other places, so I don't want to strain you here. But I think that was a really nice one. Can I hear that quick?
Hey, my old friend, toss a rope and pull me out. Will I see it all again, but give it up?
It was nice. The give it up.
See it all again, but give it up. All again, but give it up. See it all again, but give it up.
That one was even better. That was from take 3. Once your lead vocal is EQ'd and compressed in your final mix, you will hear every little detail. For this reason, you will need to be mindful of each transition between your vocal snippets, and especially the breaths. Sometimes your singer will breathe in different spots on different takes, and if you're not careful, this can lead to double breaths at the crossover points between the snippets. To avoid this, look for a single breath that is in the clear and use that breath sound, even if it is not the one that actually goes with the take you are leading into. Sometimes you will also need to slide the breath around in time to make it work with the take you are leading into. Just use your judgment and ask yourself if it sounds natural. A breath followed by a big space is usually not going to sound great. All right, so here's our vocal, and it has been assembled into something called a composite. Here on the top then, you see the actual composite, and you'll notice that it's putting in these things that look like little X's. These are called crossfades. What Logic is trying to do is slice all these pieces together in a way that you're not going to hear that it's coming from different pieces. So let's take a listen to this quickly.
Hey, my old friend, where have all your neighbors gone? Have they seen it all and left this town? I've lived in a cave, I've traced the same old path again, but I feel something's left behind between the cracks.
Okay, so as you can hear, we have a nice sounding vocal, and I've gone and chosen the best pieces from all these different tracks. And sometimes, by the way, I'll choose something that's more emotional, even if it is slightly out of tune or if it's ahead or behind the beat, because then I can go ahead and fix that using a plugin called Melodyne. Don't forget to hit the like and sub buttons for these videos.